bull reds are going to start running here by October time frame, so you don't want to miss that. For those, live cut mullet, cut bait, dude. You get that blood out there, that scent. You'll start pulling in that for black tips and shit too. And black tips, like the rest of the sharks, you really don't want the bonnet heads and everything else. Throw those back because they smell like piss. Black tip sharks, dude, they're like sirloin at sea, bro. Because they don't piss through their skin. They actually have a urinary tract. Yeah. So the meat don't spoil. Yeah. So once you process, you want to bleed them out, and then basically it runs along the spine. You want to grab it and pull it out after you cut them open. But dude, follow the page. Ask, dude, if y'all ever got any questions, man, just ask, man.
Thank you, man. What was your name?
It's Jeremy.
Jeremy, nice to meet you, Jeremy.
Jake. Nice to meet you.
Is there any other spot?
You go down the jetty if you want to do jetty fishing. The river that runs through the middle of Freeport is Old Brazos River Cutoff. On the side where the park's at, dude, I mean, you go out there and fish off the bank, man. You get reds and mangrove, snapper, and specks, and ribbon fish.
The snake park? Yeah, the snake park? That's about so